In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Outlook calendar reminders. If constant pop-ups and pings are breaking your focus, this quick walkthrough will help you silence calendar alerts in Outlook on the web without affecting your events themselves. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and use your Microsoft account so you land on your Outlook inbox or calendar. We'll be making changes in the web version, which is great because the settings apply wherever you use Outlook on the web. Once Outlook loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. That opens the Settings pane. This is where you manage most of your Outlook preferences, including notifications. In the Settings area, select General. If you see a compact view, expand it to locate the General category so you can access the full list of options. General is where you'll find foundational settings that affect how Outlook behaves overall. Next, choose Notifications. This section controls what Outlook alerts you about and how it alerts you. It's helpful to pause here for a second. Notifications can include mail, calendar, and other activity, so we want to focus specifically on the calendar portion. Inside Notifications, find the Calendar area. This is where Outlook manages reminders for events, meetings, and other calendar items. You'll see options for turning those reminders on or off. Click the toggle switch to turn calendar reminders off. When the switch is off, Outlook will stop sending you those reminder pop-ups and sounds for your events. This does not delete your calendar items. It simply removes the interruptions. You can still open your calendar anytime to check what's coming up, and you can re-enable reminders later if you change your mind. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in the change so it applies immediately to your account on the web. If you don't see a confirmation message, give the page a moment and make sure the toggle remains off after saving. That's it. Your Outlook calendar reminders are now disabled. For best results, remember that these settings affect Outlook on the web. If you also use the desktop app or a mobile app, you may want to repeat similar notification adjustments.